Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through a few simple ways to fix the connected but no internet issue on Windows 10 or 11. If your computer says you're connected to Wi-Fi but can't actually access the internet, don't worry, these steps will help you get back online quickly. First, the most basic and often effective fix is to restart your computer. This simple step can clear up temporary glitches. And even Windows 11's latest connectivity problems are sometimes fixed with just a reboot. To do this, click the Start button, then go to Power and select Restart. If that doesn't work. The next step is to reboot your modem and router. Unplug both devices from power and leave them disconnected for about 10 to 30 seconds. Then plug them back in and wait a couple of minutes for the internet connection to fully reestablish. This can resolve issues caused by temporary bugs in your network hardware. Next, you can try using the built-in Windows Network Troubleshooter. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I, then go to Update and Security, select Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the Network Troubleshooter and click Run. Windows will search for problems and try to fix them automatically. Once the process is done, restart your computer again to complete the fix. Another thing to check is your IP address settings. If Windows says there's an invalid IP address, go to Settings greater than Network and Internet greater than Status, then click Change Adapter. Options: right-click your current network connection. Choose Properties, find Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4, and make sure both options for obtaining the IP address and DNS server automatically are selected. Save your settings and reconnect to the Internet. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the problem might be with your internet service provider. If all devices in your home have no internet, check if there's an outage in your area. You can visit your ISP's website or contact their support to confirm whether it's a network-wide issue. Thanks for watching. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix your Windows internet connection. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.